Yes, my people, how is everyone doing? I hope everyone is doing very fine, like I am doing fine in my farm. We are still in the village, guys. Holiday maneno still. We are stuck here. A lot of activities are happening here. And so we are leaving the village soon, but still we have to do 1, 2, 3 within our farm. Just a daily routine, how we are taking care of our layers. We are very huge. Right now they've gained weight and we are really worried. I'm really worried because they are gaining weight at a higher rate. Despite giving us eggs, but they are really gaining weight. They are gaining weight, and at the same time they are giving us monster eggs, very big eggs. Let's go and check on them. It's meal time. You can see everyone is busy over here feeding. Free range layers are here. They're enjoying. Time for supper. All right, there we go. Let me help you. We are going. Ile imekaaje? Iko sawa? Hiyo ya juu. All right. Jajaza hiyo. Before hata nifike. Toka itakugwara. Oh. They're gonna live with my hands here. Hey. Hey. Well. Everyone is hungry, guys. All right, here we are. Guys, they are eating my hands. They're going with my hands. I'm really scared. See, they are fighting me. Hebu tengeneza They're really fighting. They're eating my ants, guys. This is serious. This is serious. I tell you, this is very serious. Zingine sikujaza. Kila tu pole. Kuna wanyonga. So guys, tell me what you are learning from here. What are you learning from here, guys? I hope you are learning something. When someone is hungry, they are able to do anything to get what they want. And you can see right now, they are almost eating my ants. You can see. This is layers. This is very, very serious. Ipi Mario, kusa chelgimus. Ipi Mario, kusa chelgimus. Mario, nyaka magi.
Magi amio chiwo moro.
Oh, hata maliza. Au unajua ni free rangers. They are hunting at the same time. Lucky. Toka. Kuna wameni manoko. Toka kwa maji. Kuku itakukula. Wote nikupeleka kwa kuku kukula. Beba hii kupeleka kwa kuku. Beba gunia. And we have those who are still enjoying the free range, guys. They are enjoying the free range. We give them food at the same time. They are still hunting outside here for ants, for what? Termites. They eat everything here. Take some water. Lucky. Then we will just Happy Farmer is now leaving the farm, guys, with 2 trays in the afternoon. Yeah, you can see. Now you get motivated on a daily basis. You give them food, they give you this. This is the product, and you can see how big they are. Very huge, fresh, clean. Wow, it's fun. I tell you, someone gets satisfied on a daily basis. Daily coin coming into the farm. Guys, farm with Lynette Solar Travels. Bring your orders at the comment section. Don't shy away. I'm gonna give you a discount if you come and pick. Because now you will be like a visitor in my farm. I will feed them quality food. Yeah, you're checking, everyone is enjoying now. Yeah, like everyone is now enjoying. I'm enjoying and they are enjoying too. Huh? No? No, not at first. Tara kabisa. Oh. Achele motor. Yeah, we've monitored. Everyone is healthy. Everyone is feeding. You give them quality food, and this is the outcome, guys. They give you quality eggs. Big monster eggs are here. And how do we get this? I'd revealed how we get these monster eggs. The secret is in the farm. Make sure you watch that video up to the end. Our farmer leaves the farm while happy because the outcome is satisfying, guys. All right. Updates will be coming soon on the progress of the farm. And see you in our next video. If you are watching this video for the first time, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, Lynette Solar Travels, and share. How are you doing it at your place, in your farm? And don't forget to share with me where you are watching us from. This is Kasembo Village, Migori County. Alright, see you in our next video, guys. I love you all. Thanks to my subscribers who always comes back to watch my video. Without further ado, see you in our next video. Bye bye.